Hello, I'm Ariel Major, and I'm a product owner here at Cavallo. Today I'm going to show you how to find your most important orders. Let's get started. Let's say I'm a sales manager, and I need to find the most important orders to expedite. I'm going to want to find all orders with a total revenue of over $10,000. In order to do this, I would click Mission Control at the top here, and I would go to this filter button at the top right. I would select Revenue, More Than, and enter 10,000 and hit Apply. Now you'll see that I have an order here visible that's over 10,000 in revenue. And that's how you find your most important orders. If you have any questions or if you have any other topics you'd like for us to discuss, please add them in the comments below. Otherwise, for more tips and tricks videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for joining us.